Right? Got it back. Tigtang maagaw ni Alforque. Brillantes. He's been shooting the ball well.
4 out of 7 after that shot. That's a foul by Desoyo. Now with 9 points, itong si Brillantes. Ayoko sabihin yung pangalan niya. Ayoko sabihin yung first name niya.
Bakit naman?
Ayoko.
Pag ano, pag sa'yo, pwede.
Siyempre.
Sino nga yung isang, si ano pala? Si Christian Farito pala, yung naging guest nyo.
Oo nga.
Nung episode 11, tama?
Yes. Yan, sila ni Steve Nash.
Raylan Torres. Drive, switching hands. How about that from Raylan Torres?
Speaking of, panoorin niyo yung last episode, ha? I feel it's gonna be one of the best episodes.
Oh, yeah.
First time lang magsalita ni Rinwil Yambing after his infamous incident.
Right.
You know, to start the season. Yan. Pakinggan nyo na yun or panoorin nyo na yun.
Who was, by the way, a former San Juan Knight. That was his first team in the MPBL.
Yes. And then, yan, Bataan. Then, nagsambuanga.
Quezon City.
Quezon City, rather, under kay Coach Egay, kung saan siya naglaro din, no? Para kay Coach Egay sa San Sebastian.
Ang kasabayan daw niya, si Ken Villapando. MoneyPay, the digital wallet built for the community because both of them came from San Sebastian. And here is Ken Villapando on the move. Dami palang Ken dito, no? Ken Villapando, masa kay Raylan Torres, buries the fray. Renta na ang lamang ng San Juan. 94-64.
Okay, pero yung mga sinasabi mong Ken, saktong gandang lalaki lang eh. Hindi katulad ng mga Fajarito, yung dating MPBL player na Manaytay. Sorry, dalawa lang ang naiisip ko.
Poral, lazy din. Meron na no, Christian Rios sa Valenzuela.
Tama.
Diba? Alex Desoyo. 96-67. Cross-court pass, Pascual.
Short.
Torres, the rebound. Duty foul given up by Brian Lacap. Which gives them a chance to put in Paul Sanga as well as Vash Gatos.
Jordan Gatos. Oh,
Jordan ba? Kala ko Vash.
hindi, yun yung narinig ko sa ating Barker. Oo, kaya number 23 siya at siyempre Jordan din ang kanyang sapatos.
Pasok, unang free throw ni Raylan Torres. Papa Ray, Kuya Jeff Tajonera. AC Soberano also not playing today and Raul Soyud. Right? Ganyang kalalim ang San Juan. 5 rotational pieces, wala. Pero kita mo naman yung kanilang imprint ngayong laro against Sarangani. Larsuma swings it to Paul Sanga. Naagaw pa. Torres with a few steals already but does not complete that one. Natapik palabas ni JP Boral. San Juan sa Quezon magkatapat yan later this month. That's gonna be another intriguing showdown. And, we have a timeout with 2 minutes and 41 seconds left. 5 seconds left sa shot clock ng Sarangani. Paul Sanga takes the free. Still can find the mark. Raylan Torres.
0 for 9 to your point. Si Paul Sanga.
JP Boral with a basket. San Juan reaching the century mark. Narsunga forcing it up. Muntik nang gumapang paloob. May foul na itatawag laban kay JP Boral. Shoutout ko lang mabilis si Coach Mike Perez.
Okay, Coach Mike, congratulations. Nakita ko yung post mo. May bago kang podcast.
Di bago yun. Nirenew nila yun.
Ni-renew nila,
Oo.
okay. Sorry. Ngayon ko lang na ano. Sa amin pala yung bago.
Bounce pass. Yan. John Calios. Pretty unfortunate for Sarangani after snapping that 12-game losing skid against Negros. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Jordan Gatos.
That's his first.
Where's Alforque at the line na former teammate ni RJ Abarientos na nakasama ni Mike Phillips kahapon.
With the Tamaraws.
Yan, former tama raw si Coach RB Mangahas.
Yeah, probably the only player. You know, you talk about RJ Abarientos, how good he is, how good he was as a collegiate player. The only player to play 1 year in the UAAP as a legit rookie, who had 4 more playing years after, to go pro right away.
Oo nga.
It's insane. With Carl Tamayo, it took 2 years, 2 seasons, no, 2
Yeah.
seasons, 1 year, because it was 2 seasons in a year, 2022 before he went pro. But with Abarientos, only took him 1 season. He went pro right away. Ganun kagaling yung batang yun.
And then he was the Rookie of the Year, tama ba? Sa KBL in his first season.
I believe so. And then, obviously, the reigning best player of the conference, right?
Pascual finding the range but a little bit too late. 104-71. Villapando swings it to JP Boral, the Albay Bicol native. Ken Villapando for free.
It's a nice stroke. Nice, confident-looking stroke, especially when your team is up by a bunch. Wala nang hesitation yan. Lumalabas na lahat ng kumpiyansa.
Ilan to? 36-point lead. Paul Sanga, 0 out of 10 after that miss.
Also a confident-looking stroke. The only difference, yun nga, it's been a struggle, to say the least.
One of those nights.
Yeah. Happens even to the best of them. John Starks, you remember?
Anong stat line niya na?
Game 7 NBA Finals against the
Against
Houston
ano?
Rockets.
Tama, Houston.
0 for 10 as
Oh,
well.
yeah. Wala pa, ni pa umulat sa basketball nun.
Yeah, I was expecting you to say that. So,
Raylan Torres. Dami niyang puntos ngayon, ha? 17 points. Jordan Gatos lays it in. Everything but the final score, San Juan.
well, unfortunately for Raylan Torres, he only has 2 rebounds.
So hindi mo pwede bigay sa kanya.
Oo, ibibigay natin to. Malamang doon sa pinakamaraming rebound, no, para sa San Juan na si Mike Kalisaan, who is also the second leading scorer.
Okay lang naman. Best player naman ng preseason niya si Raylan.
Well, pinatikim lang itong Sarangani ng first quarter, pero lumayo na sila nung start ng second.
Just another day in the office for Mike Kalisaan. 15 points, 8 rebounds. Our final score, 110-76.